Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this NEC Corporation NP-PA653U LCD Projector White, then please visit the link provided in the description. Today we're exploring a projector built to dominate any professional space. The NEC NP-PA653U isn't just a projector. It's a visual workhorse designed for corporate meetings, lecture halls, event spaces, and venues where clarity, precision, and reliability are non-negotiable. Let's start with brightness. This projector delivers a massive 6,500 lumens, ensuring images remain crisp and clear even in fully lit rooms or sun-filled spaces. Ambient light is no longer a threat. Every presentation, chart, and video retains its impact, making it a perfect choice for large auditoriums and high-demand environments. Resolution is WUXGA, providing 1920 by 1200 pixels. That extra vertical space over standard 1080p allows for richer visuals and more screen real estate, which is crucial for spreadsheets, architectural designs, engineering schematics, or scientific imaging. Every detail appears sharper, and every graphic is accurate, keeping audiences engaged without compromise. The LCD technology inside ensures colors are vibrant, consistent, and true to life. There's no rainbow effect or flickering often associated with DLP projectors. This level of color precision is essential for branding, medical imaging, or any application where visual fidelity matters. Connectivity is expansive. HDMI and DisplayPort provide modern digital interfaces, while HDBaseT allows video, audio, and control signals to travel over a single cable up to 100 meters. This reduces clutter and simplifies installations, making it ideal for professional AV setups. Whether it's mounted on the ceiling or positioned in unconventional spaces, this projector adapts seamlessly. Installation flexibility is another highlight. Keystone correction and geometric adjustments allow the image to align perfectly in any environment. Optional lenses offer multiple throw distances, meaning whether the projector is near or far, the picture remains sharp, uniform, and professional. This makes it easy to deploy in anything from medium conference rooms to expansive auditoriums. Durability and longevity are built into the design. Advanced cooling systems and long-life filters mean the NP-PA653U can run for extended periods without overheating or requiring frequent maintenance. For event venues, schools, and businesses with back-to-back presentations, this reliability is invaluable. Scaling up visuals is effortless. Multi-projector setups are supported with edge blending, producing one seamless, immersive image. Museums, exhibition halls, and high-end corporate spaces can create a larger-than-life viewing experience without any visible borders between projectors. While this projector is overkill for casual home use, for anyone serious about professional-grade presentations, it's a top-tier choice. It delivers unmatched brightness, precision, and versatility, making it a strong investment for any high-performance environment. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this NEC Corporation NP-PA653U LCD Projector White, then please visit the link provided in the description. Upgrade your projection capabilities and bring every presentation to life with unmatched clarity and reliability. Stay tuned for more in-depth tech breakdowns.